This is their summer collection. It is called Sweet Summertime. Nice, bright, cheery summer collection. Very different, obviously, from Timeless Harmony. Um, this one, we'll look at all of the a la carte pieces first, starting out with the paper pad. Again, Simple Stories paper pads, 24 sheets, 2 sheets each of 12 different patterns, but everything is double sided, so you end up with lots of patterns. A fresh cut. Oh, isn't that from the circles? I love that stripe. I'm such a sucker for a good stripe. Numbers, a grid, bring on the sunshine, little yellow flowers, more flowers, kind of a bokeh looking effect on those circles. Oh my goodness, Layle. Oh, like a a picnic table, picnic. Oh my gosh, you guys, my brain is toast. Tablecloth. You know what I mean. We all know what I mean when I say that. You have tags, really fun pattern there, a plaid, a nice tone on tone red polka dot, the cut apart cards, butterflies, green tone on tone polka dot, and then the pattern starts over again. All right, gingham. But it's a picnic tablecloth, a picnic tablecloth. What is that, Laura? Picnic tablecloth. And then you start again, all right, on the pad. Then we have both icon stickers. Excuse me, both cardstock stickers. You have the icons. Whoopsie. I guess we'll just open it that way. The icons. 2 sheets. Look how cute. A summer banner with your little bathing suits. Play all day, just zesty, scooting through summer. And then your favorite summer foods. S'mores, watermelon. How fun is that watermelon with the pattern on there? So fresh air, full hearts. Cute. That is the icon cardstock sticker. And then we have the cardstock sticker basics from Sweet Summertime. Your basics again are going to be your less heavy icons. Then this always confuses me because then we get some icons here, but we're happy to have more icons. Words, tabs, um, border strips, word strip stickers, more kind of little labels. Those are the basics. So icons and the basics. Then we have, oh my goodness, someone needs to come clean all this up for me tomorrow. Then we have 3 packages of die cuts. We have the bits and pieces, which are the icons, the journal bits, and the floral bits. So let's now, these will look familiar to Amy. Amy gifted these to me. They're so fun. These are for, I think, puzzles, right? These are for sorting puzzles, puzzle pieces. These are floral bits. So we'll pull all these out. There are 61 pieces in here. Well, that just happens to go really well with that, doesn't it? Nice big flowers, beautiful bold colors, bright colors for summer. I always love to use the floral bits in all their collections because it's really easy to use on a project, whether it's a layout or whether you're using some of the smaller ones in your planner or in a list. Just lots of options there. So lots of little guys in the floral bits. Then we have oh, they probably work this way, Layle. Haha. Let's just do that. That will help to. Oh, this is the lid. Never mind. I get it. We'll go back to this one again. These are the journal bits. So journal bits will be more similar again to the basics stickers, and that you'll have some titles. You will have uh, those arrows are super fun, aren't they? Some more titles. That's a great little cluster there. Sunshine, some labels, summer lovin', yum, a little calendar there, old flashcards, top 10, little travel, oh my gosh, a little travel tag there. Anyhow, that will give you a feel. Love this one. Look at that. That journal bit, you write your little journaling or title on that tree. All right. Then we move to the bits and pieces. Those are the icons. Lots of great summer icons, ice cream truck, some flowers, a nice little picnic setting there, tree, a house, hello, fun popsicle, some outdoor grilling, watermelons, bathing suits. Look how cute. Sew down and enjoy life. A sun, a little seagull. They used that seagull a couple of years ago on their Christmas or on one of their summer collections. I thought he was so cute. It's fun to see him back. Um, that's cute. I was made for summer nights, a crab. So just lots of different various um, icon pieces for summer. There's a bicycle in there. You can see all of those, kind of that package on each of those on the website. So it'll give you a feel for some of the pieces. That one is 80 pieces. So look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, a little a s'more, and a hot dog. Treat yourself. Yeah, there's some really fun ones in there. All right, life's a picnic and some camping. Okay, so those are the a la carte pieces for Sweet Summertime. That takes us to the big bundle. The big bundle again includes everything in the collection with the exception of the stamps. Um, so if you enjoy a collection, the big bundle is always a good bet because if you buy the big bundle, you get 15% off the whole bundle. So the things that we saw already that are part of the big bundle, the 6x8 paper pad, the floral bits, the bits and pieces, the journal bits, the basics, cardstocks, stickers. And then we go to the 12 by 12 collection kit. So the 12 by 12 collection kit has one each of all 12 by 12 papers, including 1, 2, 3, 4 cut aparts. Oh, that's cute. Hold on, I gotta look at one of these. That's cute. And the cardstock sticker icons. Those are part of their collection kit. But we better look at this because there's one of these papers that just totally caught my eye. How fun is that? I love that. Backyard memories, great outdoor adventures, fresh, juicy, delicious. Yeah, that's a fun one. And then um Deborah, somehow I missed that cherry. And there we go. That cherry is so good. And the 6x8 paper pad. I think I missed it. Okay. So all 12 of the 12 by 12 papers plus the icon stickers in that collection pack. You have the chipboard pieces. So your chipboard pieces obviously are chipboard. So they are going to be a little bit thicker, a little bit heavier and sturdier. Some icons, mostly icons, a few titles. 70 pieces there. You have the foam stickers. I always love the foam stickers. If I'm working in a mini book or something, the foam stickers I think are fantastic just because they give you that added dimension without having to take a die cut and put all your pop dots or whatever behind it. This summer, that's so cute on the back side. Outside, sun kissed, chilling. And then wrapping up that big bundle, the decorative brads. So your metal silver with epoxy in the center, and then some chipboard pieces and your glitter enamel dots. All right, so that is Sweet Summertime, both the a la carte and the big bundle. Now I need another. You know what I loved? Oh, this is the first time. Golly jeepers. This is the first time I've done a What's New Tuesday or Wednesday since we have moved to the warehouse. Because what used to be so awesome, after I did these, I just lined everything up on a big table, and Lily and Denise would come in the next day and I'd say, okay, here, put all this back together. Yeah, they're not here anymore. I mean, they're at the warehouse, right? They're not here at my house anymore, which means I got some work to do. All right, next up, I'm super excited about this one. This one is called Totally 80's. Totally 80's. We are using some of this tomorrow night during our listing for one of our lists. So, Totally 80s is very much a smaller, it's kind of a mini collection. So, the Totally 80s does not have a 6x8 paper pad. So I brought in the 12x12 collection packs. Normally I don't bring those in a la carte. Normally I just do those in the big bundle. But because there is no 6x8 paper pad in Totally 80s, you can buy the collection pack a la carte. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. The collection pack includes six papers, six 12x12 papers, not 12 because it is a mini collection. So let's look at those. But I mean, this just screams 80s, right? Your kind of Vans. Gosh, I look at that. That's going to give me a migraine. I look too closely at that. Really fun. I mean, this, did you guys have like Contempo casuals when you were, like when I was in high school? Contempo casuals was a really big, like popular store among, teen girls. So much of this reminds me of Contempo, their clothes and the colors, right? Totally 80s. That teal is really fun. Cassette tapes. You will know. Well, we're going to do two lists with this collection. One is favorite music from the 80s and one is favorite movies from the 80s. I don't know. I graduated in 1986. Just had my 40th reunion last weekend. So this is like right up my alley at all. Aqua set. Oh my gosh, so fun. Like gag me with a spoon. Like this totally, like totally, you guys, right? Totally. It's just so fun. Just such a great fun collection. Shake it like a Polaroid picture, your little TV. So that's the collection kit. Also includes the icon stickers as part of that collection pack. All right. Oh, where's our little cover? Mm, mm, mm. Oh, there it is. All right. That is a la carte, as is the icon stickers. So icon stickers are included in the collection pack, but you can also get those a la carte. Your little boom box. Now, this was not in the 80s. I know because, well, technically, maybe it was. Actually, it wasn't. Their brick phones did not exist in the 80s. You know why I know? Because I went to work for Cellular One right out of college in 1991, and I had a car phone. There were bag phones, there were car phones. That fancy brick phone didn't quite exist then, but it's okay. We'll make it work, right? Then we have the basic stickers. So more of your labels, some simple icons, a few titles, tabs, and so forth. And then we have the die cuts. So only one pack of die cuts in this collection, and it is the bits and pieces. There are 86 pieces in there. It just so happens all these trays happen to work perfectly for uh, this collection also. So a big boom box. Oh, this one. I love that. We're using this one for our title tomorrow night. Favorite songs of the 80s. Some shapes, squigglies, fanny pack, lots of little pieces, little labels and circles, and shake it like a Polaroid picture. TV, today, some lightning bolts, the 80s, a Polaroid camera, like totally, that looks like it is, oh my gosh, what is it when it's lit up? You know what I mean? That one, like when it's lit up. When it's lit up. Hello, my name is, oh gosh, I just had it and then I forgot. A Game Boy. Life is bodacious. Oh my gosh, I haven't heard that bodacious word in a really long time. Alrighty, there we go. So those are the totally 80s bits and pieces. Okay, now that is also available in a big bundle. There are just a few pieces in neon. Thank you. Yeah, neon. Thank you, Lori. Like a neon sign. In the big bundle, there are a few things that are not available a la carte that I haven't brought in a la carte. Basically, three. You have the foam stickers, 6x12 foam stickers. Really fun, bright colors for sure in this collection. You have the glossy enamel dots, and you have the decorative brads. All right. So if you really like the collection, then it would make sense to go with the big bundle because then you get all of those things for 15% off.